channel Rap to Fab. So in today's video we're going to create this whole Indian super desi makeup look, which is very easy and quick to get, and also all the products I'm using today are very affordable drugstore good quality makeup. They are not cheap, they are not high end, but they are very affordable good quality drugstore products. So if you want to get this look, stick around my video, or at least whatever you prefer, sit back, relax and watch me create this look. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the going with moisturizer. I'm using a Pond's moisturizer. So never skip this step. Even if you have oily skin, never forget to apply moisturizer. It creates a layer between your skin and the makeup, which is really very important. So go in with a generous amount of moisturizer. Foundation. I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade Natural Buff. Just squeeze your sponge and get all the excess water in it. And with the help of your fingers, we will just put some dots on our face. This way we apply very less amount of makeup. So just start applying the dots. As you can see, I'm doing very little dots. Now take your sponge, or if you prefer using brush, go ahead and just dab the foundation into your skin. Don't drag it. That's the key to the flawless makeup. Just do it like this. Just press it into the skin. Concealer. I'm using here LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. If you want to highlight your T-zone, then apply concealer over there also. Very little bit. That's it. Now take the tip of the sponge, or if you want you can use brush, and just dab into your skin. LA Girl is one of the best concealer. You can see the difference. Has concealed all my dark circles. Put less amount of foundation or concealer on your face, because that's the place where so much lines and wrinkles you get. I'm in my early 20s, so I don't have it now, but the one who are having, avoid putting much of the makeup on your forehead, because those grease lines, it will look very cakey on your skin. So just dab it like this. Just dab. We are done. Now I'm going with the second layer of concealer. First one was to just conceal my dark circles. Now this I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this will brighten the areas. So we will use very little of it, not much. Don't go crazy with it. Just 2-3 dots. Concealer, just stick to that. Next we will set our face using a loose powder. If you are good with a compact powder, go ahead with it. I really like to bake my eye area, especially because आप वहाँ पे जो grease line हो जाते हैं ना पसीना की वजह से, baking avoids that, so it's really very good. Just take sponge or a blender as you wish, or a brush I mean, and bake your under eye area and set rest of your face using the leftover powder you have. Don't use too much of powder on your makeup. baking really works for me when I need to go for a long day. It really helps me. So done. Let it sit for like 2 to 5 minutes. Then we will get off. Now next we will go in brows. Now our base is set. We will move into our eyes. So I have used here Faces Canada Kajal, which will bind my whole look of today. I will use same for my eyeliner and as well as for my kajal. I mean waterline. So we will stop here. We are not creating a wing eyeliner look, so we will just stop here. We are done with the eyeliner and we don't want that harsh line, so we'll just smudge it out. Use any brush. You can also use an angular brush that will fill in your brows. I'm using that only. Just smudge them out. It gives you a smoky eye look also. Done. Next, we'll use the same kajal and fill our waterlines. Now we will go slightly down our waterline. As I'm going close to my camera, it's becoming like blue light effect. I don't know why. See? Again blue, and I'm going back. It's again the natural bronzer. I'm using here brush. You can see the shape. It's diagonally. It's going down diagonally. So you just need to put your brush here on the high end of your face. Just put it like this and come straight. You don't need to come all the way to your nose. Just the starting of your eyes, or you can say the middle end of your eyes. Just come here and then go upwards in a circling motion. Don't do it down. Otherwise your face will become really very chapped. So you just want to lift your face and give it a great definition. So bring it like this and go upward in a circle. If you have broad forehead, do it there also. Like I have quite broad forehead, so I like to put some dimensions over there also. Now make a 3. Okay, it's just a number 3. 1, I mean, and 3. We'll go like this. 3. You see that? And 3. Okay, so upward and in a circling motion. We need to blend this. Okay, otherwise our face will look like half something is above and half something is down. So we just need to blend it well. It's always the blending. Blending is the key to the flawless makeup. Just blend it, blend. Don't blend nose. So for contouring, draw 2 straight lines, linking both the lines from your eyebrows from here and bring it down. And both the lines should be very close. If you want the wider nose, then you need to draw it very apart. But for the sharp, long contouring nose, you need to draw them very close and joining your eyebrows. So you see that line, and draw next. Woo. Now blend them all. It's always blending them out, okay? Now blend them all. Use any brush and then just blend them out. Because we don't want any sharp lines. Just blend them out. How sharp it is looking now. Now we have almost come to the last part of our makeup. We are left with the blush. I'm going into the same palette, Maybelline Master Contour palette. I'm using the blush. Okay? That. Okay? Up and down, and in a circular motion. Blush are the fastest to fade away, so don't feel shy. Put as much blush you want because this will really go fast. I like putting blush on my nose also. Blend everything together so that there is no harsh line. Just blend everything together. Your bronzer, blush, everything. Now highlighter. Using the same. This is really good palette to invest in. We get all the 3 things in one, and especially for the beginners out there. Now put it on the high ends and just blend them. Now I like to glow all over my face. I love the glowy look, so I'll go in all over my forehead, apples of my cheeks, nose, wherever you just look fuller. Go in with a lip liner. I'm using here PAC lip liner in the shade mauve. So follow the lines of your lips and draw a line. Start from here if you want to cast a shadow and make your lips look like pout, fuller lips. Now we'll go in with Nykaa Delhi. So it's done. We are done with our makeup. Now we'll just set our face using a setting spray. I'm using here NYX setting spray. It's a matte finish, Fini Matte. It's really very good and also affordable. So just set your face. It just melts all your powder makeup and make it look like very skin light and also shiny. So just. This was the whole look I created today. It's super desi Indian typical look, or you can also say black gold eye look. I don't know what I'm going to name this today, but yeah, it was great creating this look. Try this. Comment down below if you try. Do like, subscribe, and share my videos for more upcoming videos. So yeah, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.